How to connect Nintendo Switch to PC monitor HDMI guide. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will show you steps on how you can connect Nintendo Switch to a PC monitor or TV. The steps I'm going to show you can be applied to Nintendo Switch family and Nintendo Switch. Before you start, you will need Nintendo Switch, a Nintendo Switch dock, a Nintendo Switch AC adapter, and HDMI cable. What you want to do first is open the back cover of the Nintendo Switch dock. Then connect the USB Type-C plug from the Nintendo Switch AC adapter into the top terminal of the dock labeled AC adapter. Then connect the other end of the AC adapter to a wall outlet. Connect one end of the HDMI cable into the bottom terminal of the dock labeled HDMI out. Then connect the other end into an HDMI port on your television or monitor. Now you want to close the back cover of the Nintendo Switch dock. Then remove the left and right Joy-Con controllers from the console. If the Joy-Con controllers were not previously attached to the console, they must first be registered to the console in order to be used as wireless controllers. Now position the console so that the console screen faces in the same direction as the front panel on the dock, then insert the console into the dock. While the console is docked, the console screen will shut off. Now you want to turn the TV set on and connect the correct HDMI input. And just in these simple steps, you have successfully connected Nintendo Switch to a monitor. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.